Hello guys, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is TKay. If not, hello, welcome back. And today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieved this somewhat okay look. It's not the best, of course, but you know, we were learning and we working on it. So I'm not really like feeling it, but it's whatever. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking in this video or not. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna edit it yet. So if I do talk, then I'll obviously see y'all in the video. But if not, then I'll come back to y'all at the end. This is my very first time. Well, not very first time. If you see my Instagram, then you did see I put another wig on. But so I did do like another. I'm doing another wig, and this wig is from Luvme Hair. It is not sponsored. Not yet, but this wig is from Luvme Hair. I have worn this wig before, but I'm not gonna put it back on because it's a bob. I've curled it before, so obviously it's curled, but it is a closure wig, see, and it got the elastic band to go with it. I'm not really sure how many inches and stuff of it is it, but you know, obviously all of the details will be down below in my description box. And yeah, again, this is not sponsored, but you know, I just decided to go ahead and put it on, you know. So here we are. Why is this one tighter than this one? I don't know, but yeah, so here's what the inside look like. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 combs, and then this is a closure. Like I stated, it is a closure wig, and then it comes with elastic band. So it could really be a glueless wig though, but like you could literally just place it on your head and go about your business. But I'm not gonna do that just because I need security. So but yeah, I'm about to put, oh wait, no, you already know I gotta put the color. It's such a here. I just use this, the even, is it going? I don't know if it's going. Yeah, I use this even tint spray, and I use it, you know, to tint the lace, duh. So I'm about to just spray that, even though it's already some up here, but yeah, but just spray that, and then just, you know, wipe off the excess. Can I do this up here? Yeah, I can, because I don't feel like, you know, just, yeah, with the, I don't do the ball cap method because I don't feel like going through all that for one. So I'm just gonna do this, flip this, make sure it's tight enough. It's very much tight enough. Put the comb. Don't really have to put the comb in, but I just do it again for security because I do have a son and he likes to pull on stuff. So here we are. See, look at that, y'all. Already don't even have to put it up here, but again, I choose to do so. I mean, put some glue here, but I choose to do so, and it looks very nice. But yeah, I'm about to go in and style it. I don't know if I want to do baby hairs because I should keep the curls in here, but I don't want to keep the curls in here. You don't have to do the combs. I don't even do the combs like that. Just because of where it fall, I don't have to do the combs. So yes, this is a perfect summertime wig. You know, just pop this baby on and go about my business. But again, I'm about to go ahead and style it because yeah, I don't like the curls. Like, I'm about to flat iron it. So yeah, y'all, not quite sure if I'm gonna talk because I don't have nothing to talk about. So just keep on watching the video and bear with me. This is my first time doing it. Again, the description of this wig will be down below, and I hope y'all enjoy the video.
Golden rubbers in these different pockets. On my waist there's a black clock. New girl moving on the block. She been plotting on my cot. Last night I slept over her. During sex, all over her. A sword sliced the air, I pulled out the gun. I broke off the dead and shot back. Pop out, blood on the sheets, probably stealing from my dash. Out the glass, spreading on the glass. A real ninja with the blade and the mask. Got the gold and the stars and reds and green headshots. Now she tryna patch it up, but girl, I was just tryna get enough. If that's your entity, follow me on the pistol. What I'm guessing is why we let it get through.
Blinds wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Then check your window. Slide. Is that your window?
Break my kiss, turn the kiss right. I'm down to earth with intention that's right. Down to earth with recognition and I'll be happy to decide to kick it tonight. Chill and I can act like I know what the fuck. Tell me all your problems like I really get one. But I get you from us cause you're the one that I want. You wanna see my pussy that's sexy. Pussy see when I'm with my friends and this little front. But in the back of my top, I'm writing songs about WIG. We think pretty high, yourself making three. Little ones, pretty hard if you ask me. Didn't pretty broad at the top three. The things that I've been willing to come so. I've been like around 10, skinny dick, getting thick. Give me different TKay. I wanna be famous, mad French.
Blinds wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Then check your window. Is that your window?
One, you're the girl that I want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the point if you say no after all this. I just didn't take it, just so motherfucking gorgeous. Gorgeous, baby, you're gorgeous. I just wanna drag your life body to the floor. If you wanna cake, you think, but that's because I'm in love with you. I just wanna talk and conversate when you should start. Don't ask me, baby, I finally got the courage to ask me a date. Say yes. I just wanna talk and conversate cause I need you to start. Don't ask me, baby, I finally got the courage to ask me a date. Say yes.
The blinds wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Then check your window. Is that your window? The blinds wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone, babe. Is that your window?
Golden rubbers in these different pockets. On my waist there's a black clock. New girl moves on the block. She been plotting on my no cotton. Last night I slept over her. During sex I overheard. A sword sliced the air. I pulled out the I broke off the bed and shot back. Pop out.
Yeah, you can definitely tell it's my first time doing edges. I probably won't be doing no more edges on any of my installs. I've seen girls like do the no edges look, so more than likely on my next install I probably will try that because me and edges, we just don't get along.
If that's your entity, follow me on the pistol. What I'm guessing is why we let it get through.
Blinds wide open so he can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Then check your window. Slide. Is that your window?
Break my kiss, turn the kiss down to earth with intention that's right. Down to earth with an instant night. I'll be the happiest. Decide to kick it tonight. Chill and I can act like I know what the fuck. Tell me all your problems like I really get one. But I get to choose for us, cause you're the one that I want. The one that seem like pussy that seems pussy. See when I'm with my friends, it's a little fun. But in the back of my time, I'm writing songs about WIG. You think pretty high, you're so making three. Little ones, you pretty hard to wise kid. Pretty broad, top three. The things that I've been willing to come so. I've been like around 10, skinny dick, feeling fit. Give me the TKay. I wanna be famous, mad French
Eyes wide open so we can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Check your window. Check your window.
one. You're the girl that I want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the bullet if you say no after all this. I just didn't take it just so motherfucking gorgeous. Gorgeous, baby, you're gorgeous. I just wanna drag your life body to the floor. On the cake, you think what that's because I'm in love with you. I just wanna talk and I'm
Okay, so at this moment it was best that I'm getting ahead and curl it because yeah, it just wasn't looking right and I was really upset. Y'all just didn't see that in the camera, so here I am going in and one color my hair.
Blinds wide open so we can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone. Babe, check your window. Check your window. The blinds wide open so we can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone, babe. He's at your window.
golden rubbers in these different pockets. On my waist there's a black clock. New girl moves on the block. She been plotting on my real cock. Last night I slept over her. During sex I overheard. A sword sliced the air, I pulled out the I rolled off the bed and shot back. Pop high, blood on the sheets, probably stealing from my cash. Out the glass, spreading on the glass. A real ninja with the blade and the mask. Got the golden stars and reds and green gunshots. Now she tryna patch it up, but girl, I was just tryna get enough. If that's your entity, follow me on the pistol. But I'm guessing it's why that
The blinds wide open so we can see you in the dark when you're sleeping. Get back, fresh out the shower. You touch yourself after hours. No man allowed in your bedroom. You're sleeping alone, babe. Check your window. Is that your window?
I'm down to earth with intention that's right.
Alright y'all seen in the previous clips, yes, instead I did straighten it and then turn around and one curled it because I didn't like how it looked straightened. It looked a lot better than before. I gotta go back in and redo some, but I will come back to y'all when I am nice and dolled up and cute and I cleaned everything up. Alright y'all, here's the finishing look. I don't put that little face or whatever. I'm not really liking it. Like, I really don't like it. Like, I don't know if it's the way I want curled it, if it's like the length, but it's not. Or maybe just I need to wait till the curls fall. So I really don't know, but right now it's just not giving. Like, we're gonna have to see. But thank you guys for sitting here watching this chaotic wig install. This is my first wig install ever, so do not come for me. And if y'all have any tips on how to make it easier and things like that, don't be scared to drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and there will be more wig installs, more hair tutorials and things like that coming, so do not worry. But as for now, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.